we know that a to the b times a to the c will equal a to the b plus c. But how do we know this is true? Well, let's go with some examples and we can figure out the intuition from there. So let's say we have 2 to the third times 2 to the second. What will this equal to? Well, we have to think what this actually means. 2 to the 3, that's the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, and then all that times 2 raised to the second. That's just 2 times 2. Notice what we have here. This is the exact same thing as 2 raised to the fifth. We're multiplying 2 by itself 5 times. So this equals 2 to the fifth. Notice, 5 equals these two's exponents combined. Let's try another example. Say we have 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 4. What will this equal to? Say we have to go for the intuition again. What is 3 to the 3 equal to? That equals 3 times 3 times 3, and all of that times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Notice, how many 3's are we multiplying together? We're multiplying 7 3's together. So this equals to 3 to the 7th. 3 to the 7th. This is a definition of an exponent. Alright, now what if we had 3 to the third plus 3 to the fourth? What will this equal to? 3 to the third will equal 3 times 3 times 3 plus 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Notice, because of this plus sign in the middle here, it's making all of this messy. If we didn't have this this plus in the middle, we could just combine all of these with multiplication. But the plus sort of separates these two terms, so we can't combine this whole term into one term. This does not equal 3 to the 7th. And what if we had something crazy, like 127 raised to the 172 times 127 raised to the 30? What will this equal to? Well, you don't need to plug all this in a calculator. You can just simplify this. It will equal 127 to the power of, what's 172 plus 30? Well, 7 plus 3 is 10. And so this will equal 202.